eTriever is all about making data access visual, productive, economical, and very convenient. Convenience means immediate access to whatever you are working on, wherever you are. eTriever's unique ease of use lets you move seamlessly between your desktop and your iPad using identical functionality. Convenience means ready access to premium oil and gas data. eTriever enables you to access current public data as well as your company's proprietary data, offering you the ideal benefit of accessing them both at the same time. Convenience means global mobile access. You can use eTriever anywhere you can connect to the internet, whether through a wired network, Wi-Fi, or 3G. This makes phased implementation of eTriever almost effortless. Now let's see how eTriever's intuitive user interface can quickly sift through our partner's vast supply of oil and gas data to produce useful information for you. To begin, press the eTriever button and log in with your username and password. The eTriever screen is organized for ease of use and speed. Click one of the data tabs along the top of the screen to choose the type of data you want to work with. Currently, eTriever can access 4 different types of data: wells and production, land, pipelines, and facilities. In this demo, we are working with wells and production. This dataset provides detailed information for over 700,000 wells. Beneath the data tabs, you will find the function tabs, which enable you to search and view the data. We will start with search. You can build searches using qualifiers listed on the left side panel. Clicking a qualifier adds it to the search. All data types can be searched geographically. You can add qualifiers like DLS and province to your search. There are also qualifiers unique to each data type. For example, in wells and production, you can search by criteria such as company and status. In land, you can search by qualifiers including interest holder and lease expiries. Pipelines and facilities have their own qualifiers. You will notice there are tips links on the qualifiers you have added. You can click these tips to get more information about the qualifier. You will also see tips in many other places in eTriever. To save time, we will use a search we created previously. These are listed under My Searches. Click the link to view the search called 3 wells. As you can see, this search finds 3 wells in the over 700,000 wells contained in our partner's data hub. Let's see what these 3 wells look like on eTriever's web map by selecting the Web Map function tab. These are predominantly oil wells, as you can see by the green oil well symbol on the location pin. You also have the ability to view additional layers of data from the other available data types. Click on Show Facilities to see facilities. Show Pipelines will show pipelines that pass through the area, and Show Land will show all the active land. When you hover over an item of interest from any of the additional layers, it will be highlighted in yellow. When you click on the item, the associated data will be displayed in the right side panel. In this way, we can see the details of land parcels, pipelines, and facilities. Returning to wells, the primary data layer on this web map, when you click on or touch on using the iPad one of the well location pins, a pop-up will appear providing the detailed well information. To get a listing of these wells, select the function tab List. This displays a list of the wells resulting from your search, providing information on the operator, field, current status, and cumulative production. You can sort by these as well. List also provides shortcuts to other functions. Clicking on the Ticket tab produces a well ticket, the most comprehensive report in eTriever. By scrolling down on the desktop or by dragging on the iPad, you can view all of the information pertaining to the well: completions, cores, production, environmental incidents, etc. The pie chart on the production injection summary is color-coded and shows you the relative percentage of each product: red for gas, green for oil, blue for water. The Events tab gives you the ability to view all of the events, workovers, perforations, etc. associated with a well and their possible impact on production. This is one of eTriever's key differentiators. You can hover over the actual event or production curve at a specific time to see more information about the event or see the values plotted for that point in time. This can be done by moving the mouse or with the touch of your finger on the iPad. You can interactively adjust the date range. For precise adjustment, use the handy slider located below the graph. For example, moving the right handle of the slider to the far left zooms in on the events from the beginning of the well's history. You can also select any of the predefined time ranges at the top of the graph. Scroll down or drag to scroll on the iPad to see the same information shown in a tabular format. You'll notice at the top left corner of the table, you can click on Export to export the information into Excel or Petra. Click OK and view your data in Excel. When you are finished with Excel, exit and return to eTriever. The last thing I'll show you today are the production graphs available on the Reports and Graphs tab. eTriever displays the production graph for the first producing well in the Quick Pick list from your search. Graphs are displayed with pre-selected curves. Click on the lines in the legend on the right side of the graph to add and remove curves from the graph. You can view graphs on an individual well basis or by wells as a group. By clicking on Production Grouped, eTriever displays a summary graph of the 3 wells. eTriever also provides for such common requests as graphs for gas rate versus cum and oil rate versus cum for a quick decline analysis. In both these cases, the decline of these wells is steep. These graphs can all be printed or electronically saved in a variety of formats, enabling you to include these graphs in whatever documents you require. In this short demo, we've shown you a small part of what eTriever can do, and we hope that you're already thinking of ways that eTriever's many convenient features can help you make more informed and more timely decisions. Please contact us so that we can organize a demonstration of eTriever and answer any of your questions.